What is up, you guys? Gabriel Designs here. Today we're going to be taking a look at digital note taking. Now, we all have taken notes at least once in our lifetime, but with the addition of new devices and new ways to take notes, digital note taking has really taken over the way we take notes. Now, I really like this because I think it can really boost productivity and make our note taking highly efficient. With the addition of the iPad and the Apple Pencil, I think that we can take our notes and put them all in one device and make it highly productive. And I think this is the way to go if you're looking to be efficient and productive on the way you take notes. So let's go ahead and talk about that. So with digital note taking, all you really need is even something as just your smartphone and then your fingers to type out any note that you would like to take. But not only for the convenience factor is this great, but I think it's highly productive to be able to take your notes everywhere you go and then also be able to write it down without needing to take any of your notebooks or any of your pencils and papers, looking through your backpack for that and having to take it out and write that down. In fact, I remember being a student and having to look through my notebook to try and find the exact lesson or the exact example I was looking for, and just flipping through pages over and over again and having skipped that page that I was looking for and then going all the way back just for that one single example. Now, the solution to that digital note taking has really included is including a search feature. With digital note taking, all you need to do is hit that little search button and then you can search anything in all of your notes and find that perfect example you were looking for or that definition you were looking for. Now, I studied mathematics, so a lot of my time was going through the notebook, as I said, looking for a definition to a word or really looking for an example that matched the homework question I was doing so that I can go ahead and see and really study and understand and really look back on that example. Now, with the search function, all you need to do is just look up either the word or the concept, and if it is written down, it will bring it up. In fact, it will bring up any other notes that have those words in it. Now, this would be really helpful when searching up a definition because it can see where else it was used and really give some context as to how you can use that word. And if you have an iPad or tablet that you use to write down notes, there are even a few note-taking apps that have the search feature, search through all of the written down notes, so it won't always just be the typed ones if you prefer to write them down. Now, I am working on a video that's going to take a look at some of the top free note-taking apps for professionals, creatives, and students. So if you are enjoying this content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future uploads and you guys can see which note-taking apps are the best ones for your iPad or tablet. Now, you probably have already tried to go the physical route, whether you're a professional, creative, or a student. The textbooks, the planners, the pencils, the pens, the calendars, the sticky notes, but they all can be replaced with just one device. Now, I use the iPad because I honestly think this is the best option out right now for note-taking. But the device could also be your phone or your laptop. The main idea is that with digital note-taking, they really make apps that allow you to take your notes with you anywhere you go and really portable. And not only that, but they also add the convenience of having all those things I just listed in one simple device. They have apps that allow you to create calendars, they allow you to create planners, budgeting, they allow you to really create anything. And with the addition of the Apple Pencil for your iPad, you really have a highlighter, marker, eraser, you really have everything. Now, I have noticed that a lot of schools are also moving digitally with the textbooks. So instead of having physical textbooks, you're using a lot of ebooks. Now, this allows you to really come together and have everything all in just one device. Now, if that's not convincing enough, imagine clearing out your backpack of all those extra things and just taking exactly what you need. Now, if making your backpack less heavy isn't enticing enough, just imagine being able to jump on any device and having your notes with you everywhere you go. Something as simple as forgetting your laptop at home, you still have your phone with you. If you go to the public library and you don't have anything with you, you can just jump on a computer and then pull up your notes by just visiting a website. Even Apple lets you sign into your iCloud for your notes that you've taken on your iPad or your phone and pull them up on any device. There's really a lot of stuff that cloud-based storage has done for productivity. Even simply going from the couch to your desktop because you would like to work on a keyboard for a bigger task is simple. All you need to do is pull up your notes and then you can just continue right where you left off. Now, if having that search function and having the convenience of not carrying so much stuff on your back didn't convince you to go digital than hopefully the cloud has. And with a lot of the note-taking services, the cloud-based storage is actually free. Well, at least up to a certain point. Some of them, if you are using a lot of storage, will start charging you, but most of them give you at least 5 gigabytes for free. But if you are using a lot of large files and saving a lot of PDFs, or if you want to save your textbook itself onto one of these cloud-based services, then you might need to upgrade to the Pro version or the Premium version or whatever they're calling it in that single app. Having everything in the cloud really helps you not only not needing all those wires or carrying them with you, but it also eliminates that wait time from transferring one file to the next. Now, I know a lot of these new USB-Cs or the Thunderbolt ports really can have a lot more speed and transfer the files faster, but either way, nothing beats just simply jumping on your desktop and already having all the notes there. Now, that was my turning point where I really looked towards using the cloud-based service rather than just having to email it, because even though I was doing it digitally, it still wasn't really synced to all my devices. Now, I'm curious to know, what was your personal turning point towards digital note-taking if you're already there? Let me know down in the comments, and as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.